first generation Mercedes-Benz GLK350. This is a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GLK350. The first generation is between 2010 and 2015. So if you have a car between those years, this video applies to you and is related to the ABS problem, as you can see. All right, I connect my scanner and it tells me, okay, right here, let's see if we can have a better. So transmission, what does it say? The right front wheel speed signal from the traction system is not available on the CAN bus. That's one. Okay, let's check the motor electronics. The vehicle speed signal was not received. Okay, that's two. Let's go to the ESP, Electronic Stability Program. So it says the signal of the component right front axle RPM sensor is implausible. I'm sorry. The same, we got the same here. Alright. So if you have a problem like this with your ABS, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Come to the right front wheel. The sensor is going to be right here. You remove it with a 10mm socket. It's held by a 10mm bolt. Okay. Then the cable is gonna run through here. You see that clip? It's gonna run through here. It's gonna go around. It's gonna go with the brake pad sensor. Okay. Right here is where both gonna go together. There's another clip over here. There's another clip over here. Another clip over there. You're gonna have to remove the tire, as you can see, and remove the fender. Okay, yeah, one here, one here, one here, one here. That's a 10mm socket. Then you're gonna need the clipper removal. Two here, two at the bottom. Right there. They look like this. And these are the 10mm socket with washer. Okay, these are made of plastic. Feels like plastic. Even has the Mercedes-Benz logo symbol. Now when you get up here and you remove the fender, let me show you better. You're gonna see this guy merge with this is the brake pad sensor. Okay, and it's gonna merge with the ABS sensor, and they both gonna go together in there. And there's a clip that'll go here on top. Look like this. So you're just gonna put it like this on top. Okay, it's gonna go on top. All right, you'll see it. Now this is the ABS sensor. And this is the connector that I merged. This guy merged with the brake pad sensor, like I told you. You put them together, you see them. Okay. Put them together. You see it. It goes right here. Okay. You see the grooves. Alright. Pretty much. So if you ever need the part, so now you know if you need to replace your ABS sensor, replace it, put everything back. You're gonna put it in there like that, then put the clip, okay? Put them together, put both in there, push it all the way in, put the clip on, and go to the computer, reset the, erase the codes, take it for that spin, okay? And that should be it. If you have any concerns, any questions, put in the comment box. Tell me your experience with the with this job, how it went, how did it go. Put in the comment box, let me know. Tell me about your experience with this ABS sensor. Okay, with the code, put in the comment box. All right. Not only me is gonna help you to accomplish this job, but all the subscribers and viewers that are coming, they're gonna help you out too. All right. That's pretty much it. Easy fits. All right. You know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo, Burun. And I just want to give shout outs to the supporters. Love you. Pause. See you in the next one. Axtuo, Burun. Yeah. Bye bye.